A busy day at work. It is Monday morning. I'm getting ready for work. I am drinking my coffee and reading my emails. My cat is sitting on the sofa. She is watching me. I'm leaving the house now. I am walking to the bus stop. The sun is shining, and people are going to work. Some are talking on the phone. Some are buying coffee. I am smiling. It is a nice day. Now I am arriving at the office. My co-workers are already working. Sarah is talking to a customer. Tom is typing on his computer. I am saying a good morning to everyone. They are smiling back. I'm sitting at my desk. I am checking today's tasks. I am answering emails and writing reports. The phone is ringing. I'm picking it up. A customer is asking for help. I'm helping him with his order. He is saying, "Thank you," and I'm saying, "You're welcome." It is lunchtime now. I am eating with Sarah and Tom. We are sitting in the kitchen. I am eating a sandwich. Sarah is eating a salad. Tom is drinking tea. We are talking about our weekend. We are laughing and having a good time. After lunch, I am going back to my desk. I'm finishing my report. I am sending it to my boss. She is reading it and smiling. Good job. She is saying, "I'm feeling happy." It is 5 p.m. now. I am turning off my computer. I am leaving the office and walking to the bus stop again. The sky is getting dark. People are going home. Some are listening to music. Some are reading books. Now I am entering my house. My cat is running to me. She is meowing and jumping. I'm picking her up. "Hello, sweet cat," I'm saying. I am cooking dinner now. I am cutting vegetables and boiling rice. The food is smelling very good. I am setting the table and pouring water. Now I am eating dinner. My cat is sitting near me. She is watching my food, but I am not sharing it. After dinner, I am watching a movie. I am sitting on the sofa and drinking tea. My cat is sleeping next to me. I am feeling tired, but also relaxed. It is 10 p.m. now. I am brushing my teeth and getting ready for bed. My cat is following me to the bedroom. She is jumping on the bed. I am turning off the light. Now we are sleeping. It was a busy but good day. Grammar. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening right now or around now. Examples. I am studying English. This is happening now. She is cooking dinner. She is doing it right now. It is raining. We make negatives by putting not after is or are. I'm not doing that. She isn't going home until Monday. You aren't listening. Exercise 1. True or false? Answers. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. Present continuous. Answers. Exercise 3. Answer the questions. Sample answers. Lesson review. What did you learn today? Today, you learned how to use the present continuous tense. You practiced with a short story about a busy day. You learned how to say what people are doing right now. I'm drinking coffee. We are working. She is cooking dinner. You also practiced reading and understanding a daily routine. Answering questions. Using new words and grammar in context. Well done. You are learning English step by step. Keep going. See you next time. Thank you for learning with us. Goodbye and have a great day.